Hey guys, my name is Gail and today I am just going to video what I eat in a day. This is either going to be me cooking something or it's going to be me just throwing stuff together, because the reality is you don't cook a fancy meal every day when you eat on a regular, nor do you do it when you're starting a new eating plan. I have been very careful trying to make sure that what I eat is kind of a good variety so I don't get bored with it. However, I do have those meals, but I also have regular meals. So today I'm just gonna walk you through what I do, and if I put stuff together, great. And if I make something fancy, great too. If this is the kind of content you're interested in, don't forget, if you're not subscribed, to do so. So let's get to it. For breakfast, I'm grinding this cinnamon on top of it, and then I'm adding almond milk to this. This is barley. I had it pre-made already. Normally I have oatmeal, but I really like barley as well. But I already had some, so I threw it together with some frozen blueberries, which all of that's my favorite. Normally I don't add the milk, but it's a good touch today. I'm kind of hungry now, and I'm not hungry enough for a snack, but it's around noon, so I am going to actually try this meal. I wrote it down. It's by, it's called Vegan Hoppin' John. This is from Well Your World. If you're not familiar with their channel, it's a pretty good channel. This is a recipe that they had. I wrote down the details right here, and so I'm going to try to make it in my Instant Pot, throw it in the Instant Pot and go. So, you know, I kind of like all in one pot, and it's supposed to be pretty easy. So let's get to that and see what it's like. This called for 1 cup of rice. I did 1 cup quinoa. Not sure that was the best idea. Some cutting up some onions and bell peppers. And I bought this chopper that I wanted to try, and it works great, but I found it a bit overkill and unnecessary for a small amount like this. Here's where I'm putting all the stuff that adds flavor, and this is a lot of spices and flavor. It smells so great when it cooks and when it's done. Don't forget, I have a link in the description to Well Your World's video where they actually make this and show you how to do it. While that's being done, I'll clean up your mess. I like meals thick like this, but I would have preferred a little bit more water, and definitely I think the rice is a better option. I just happen to have no rice for the day. Now that everything's cooked and done, I am going to put some raw baby spinach in here. You can use kale. It cooks down with just the heat. It is a good way to add your greens. Now, just for making sure I'm getting the vitamins, I'm putting nutritional yeast in here. It also gives it a cheese flavor. For dinner, I wasn't real hungry, but I wanted to make some pico and do some chips. So I just used some lemon with my onions and cilantro and tomatoes, mixed it up, and then I cut these tortillas. I think I used 2 of them, maybe 3, and cut them up into pieces like that. I tried to broil them in the oven. The oven doesn't broil evenly, so some of them came out crispy and some didn't, but they were pretty good. I put some edamame with it just as a side dish, but it was pretty light and filling enough for me to be satisfied for the evening. Well, I hope this gives you a great idea of the kind of food that I eat each day in order to lose some weight. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos where I do my mukbang and eat with you guys, but also share with you how much weight I've lost to date. So thank you for watching, and join my journey by subscribing and comment and say hello if you can. I'll see you in my next video. Bye y'all.